My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar. I salute to my subscribers and the viewers that you are viewing my videos very intentionally without any failure. I I further upload to your courage that you are seeing my video. So we will, as we are describing the persecution of the Christians by the Muslims. So we will continue this video in this context, that the persecution of the Christian by the Muslims. Now we see the Indonesia. Indonesia is the country situated in the uh, southeastern Asia. This country is the lagoons of the Islamic radicalized Islam. We want to remind that there is no need to say radicalized, because every Muslim is radicalized. If he is following the theory of Islam, Islam is the anti-human cults. But the group of these people who are killers, rapists, and robbers since inception in 610 Anno Domini, why the rogue person that is known as the Muhammad, so-called prophet. At the time of Muhammad bin Abdullah, Christians are the minority in Indonesia. Christianity in Indonesia is recognized religion along with other religions. In Indonesia, many Islamic terrorist groups as Zama Islamia or Jihad to Infosai. In 2005, three Christians girls were beaten to death in retaliation of the Christian Muslim riots. An Islamic terrorist, Jama Islamia's district ring leader Hassanuddin was pushed in jail. He said, "It is the part of our jihad." In 2011, many Christians' houses were sabotaged and the Christians were compelled to leave their houses and forces to leave buildings. In December 2011, as a second incident, a church in Bogor, West Java was ordered to halt its activity by a local mayor. In Aceh province in Indonesia, where autonomous Islamic Sharia, 20 churches in Singkil Regency faced threat of the demolition due to the Guber National Decree requiring the approval of 150 worshippers. On 30th April 2012, all the churches were sealed by an order of 9 May 2007. Christian governor of Jakarta, Basuki Jayapurnama, has been sentenced to 2 year jail, found guilty of blasphemy. In Iran, Christians are persecuted after 1919 Islamic Revolution. Muslim converts to Christianity have been arrested and sometimes executed. In October 2009, the death apostate was sent to death in June 2011. Apostate is that person who left the Islam. Previously, he was Muslim by birth Muslim, but now became non-Muslim as a Christian or Hindu, known as the apostate. And in Arabic, this word is known as the murtid. And thus, the punishment of this apostate or the murtid is only the killing by the pelting stones on that person. So how this cult, Islam is the group of the vultures. The Iranian court overruled this death sentence. He recanted, which he refused to do in 8 September 2000. He was immediately released. Iraq and Malaysia, although Islam is the original, recognized by the government in Iraq, Christian population only 3%. In 2007, they were only 4%. And due to persecution in Iraq of the Christian, they are living in other countries as refugees. In 2004 to 2014, several churches were attacked by bombing. In 2006, many Assyrian Christians dropped to between 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs lived in Baghdad, and many Christians were in exile in neighboring countries. Syria, Jordan, Lebanon, and Turkey left behind closed parishes, seminaries, convent or mosques. Assyrian Christians were persecuted by both Sunni and Shia sect. All the Muslims are alike. They are the Islamic goon. They are the certified criminals. According to the criminology or the language of the criminal, every true Muslim is criminal. Certified criminal, robber, and the killer, as the Muhammad was. The almost all countries are slaughterhouse for non-Muslims by virtue of Prophet Muhammad Saib. All world developed in a great slaughterhouse since inception of Islam in this world. Because Quranic verses are very confusing. Because Allah and Muhammad both were confused, which reflects in these two verses of Quran. Chapter 5 Al-Ma'idah verse 32 states that killing of a even single human is equal to killing of the whole humanity, while just next verses, that is 533, states cut the hand and feet in opposite direction. Quran is not in chronological order, nor it is Allah wise. So it is not easy to understand this because many verses seems as layman written book like ICIL also was the great enemy in the 2014 and the warning the Christian leave the Iraq in a Nasra in Arabic word for Christian. Nasara in Malaysian Christian literally is for only Christian leave the Malaysia, a declaration by stupid Muslims. In Nigeria there are very usual clashes between Muslims and the Christians. Some churches have been burnt down and 30,000 Christians were displaced from their native place in Kano, the largest city of the Nigeria. Boko Haram has bombed on churches and were killed so many or numerous Christians as starvation, as infidel, the mentally retarded Muslims did not give food in the camp for displaced civilians as Christians. But this organization of mentally rotated means the brain of Muslim always in danger against kafirs. This world haunted to the follower of false and fabricated book from sky. People gave food to only Muslims by Boko Haram. In Pakistan, Christians are the main target of the Muslim in the Pakistan due to the blasphemy. At least a dozen Christians killed by government as a death penalty and 90 Christians were behind the bar in Pakistan, according on Pakistani American author Farnaz Isfani called the treatment with Christian in Pakistan a drip by drip genocide. Means ethnic cheapening very slowly. In 1998, Ayub Masih, be a Christian, was convicted of blasphemy and sentenced to the death. In 1998, he was accused by the neighbor that he supported Salman Rushdie and Taslima Nasreen. Salman Rushdie wrote the Satanic Verses, a good realistic book, along with Taslima Nasreen book Lazza. Same. In October 2001, a gunman on motorcycle opened fire on a Christian in Punjab and killed 18 people. In March 202, the 5 people were killed in an attack on a church, Islamabad, including an American schoolgirl and mother. In Pakistan, August 2002, a masked gunman fired on a missionary school for the foreigners in Islamabad. 6 people were killed and 3 in August 2002. Also, grenades were thrown in a hospital, killed 3 nurses. 25 September 2002, 2 lunatic Islamic terrorists entered in the Peace and Justice Institutional in Karachi and they separated non-Muslims and killed 7 Christians by shooting them in the head. In December 202, 3 Christian girls were killed on 25th December, the Christmas day. In September 2005, 3,000 Muslim attacked Christian in Sangla Hill in Pakistan, destroying the Roman Catholic Church. On 5th June 206, a Pakistani teacher, Nasir Ashraf, was stabbed for the sin of using public drinking water. Being a Christian, he was not able to take the water from the same place as same case of the Asia Bibi. In Saudi Arabia, where many Orthodox Muslims did not know the earth is round and moving, but they follow the false chapters of the Quran in context, the creation of the universe in 6 days, only this country is the slaughterhouse for the non-Muslims. In Somalia and Sudan, Christians faced persecution due to the large population of the Muslims. In 2001, terrorists declared to eradicate the Christianity from Somalia and beheaded 2 Christians who were converted from Islam. A third convert in Mogadishu was beheaded in 2012. In 1992, there was mass persecution of the priests and the killed also. But now Sudan divided in Sudan and the South Sudan. In many villages of South Sudan, wiped by the frustrated Islamic lunatic terrorists. Turkey is the bandit country of the Caliph, and this Turkey infamous for Abdullah, the Muhammad reverse signs, and this country is the fostering mother of terrorism. If Saudi Arabia is the grandmother of the idiots, and Turkey is the mother of and father both of for the terrorists. Terrorists who are cutting the neck of innocent people in the name of the Quran, Allah and Islam. The difficulty of the Christians is only the Islam and his follower. We must know that every Muslim, if he is not radicalized, means he is not true Muslim. According to the theology of Islam, against non-Muslims or kafirs. So this is the mandatory that a Muslim will kill the kafirs as per the teaching of the Quran. The doctrine of Islam prohibits to friendship with Jews, Christians, Hindus, Zoroastrians, and all quality are in Mohammed except humanity as per doctrine. However, if a Muslim love to all, then this is his personal approach. But he is not Muslim. In the book of the Islam, in February 3, 2006, Father Andrea Santoro was murdered in Tabriz. On 18 April 2007, a publishing house, Malta, Turkey, 3 employees Bible publishing house were targeted, torching with murder by 5 Sunni Muslims. Yemen, very few Christians are the Yemen, almost 10,000 only, and due to mental retarded tendency of the Islamic government of Yemen is against Christianity. Even the Emir of Yemen also. In India there is no persecution by Hindus, but Christian missionaries are cheating poor Hindus to embrace Christianity. It is well proverb in India, if Islam has direct enmity with Kafirs, but Christian is the dip slow poison to Hindus. So these missionaries are engaged in the conversion of the Hindus. In India now Hindus are awakened that Bible has many false fabricated theories as under. Now we will see the creation of the universe in the Genesis chapter 1. In the beginning God created earth and heaven. Answer to this verse. This is false because earth is too much less than sun. Hence because sun was found on the fourth day. So this verse is totally false. Genesis verse 3. And God said, let the light, and there was light. Answer of this verse is that if their days were light without sun, then why God made further light as sun? And verse 4 of the Genesis state, and God saw the light that was good, and God divided the light from darkness. Answer of this verse is that there is no need to divide the light, because light and darkness are the opposite, its nature, so there was no need to divide it. So though is it totally false. Genesis Old Testament verses 14. And the evening and the morning on the third day, how God knew this. Whenever there was no sun, means 3 days was without sun. If there was facility of the day and night, then why God made sun to light and darkness? Verse 21. And God created great whales and every living creature that moveth, which the water brought forth abundantly of the water of this kind. And God saw that was the good. Answer of this verse is that the whales are mammals and other species are not the one day efforts, but it is in the million and billion years, and this is a very slow process in evolution. This is not possible in 6 days only, so the creation in the Bible is not correct and confusing also. Seeing all these, Hindus are not covered converting, but many Hindus taking money from Christian missionaries, but they are practicing the Vedic culture. Even many converted. Ultimately, this is the victory of the truth, because even one word is not false or hypothesis or false according to science, and Vedas do not creating false of any hypothesis or theory of the creation of the universe in 6 days, and the sky are the 6 or 7, and Bible, Quran and Torah stated about false fabricated. Number 2, persecution of Hindus by Muslim in Indian subcontinent along with Malaysia, Indonesia, with Afghanistan and other Asian countries are very common. Was very common, and still Muslim majority area are held to Hindus and other Muslim countries. So the next video continue in the persecution of the Christians by the rogue Muslim ideology which is known as Islam. Thank you very much.